In the heart of Burbank, where climate control is paramount, AC Repair Burbank stands as a dedicated service provider, offering unparalleled expertise in central air and heat system maintenance and repair. At AC Repair Burbank, we understand the importance of preventive maintenance for your central air and heat systems. Our skilled technicians offer comprehensive maintenance services, conducting thorough inspections and tune-ups to ensure your HVAC system operates at peak efficiency. When your HVAC system encounters issues, AC Repair Burbank is your trusted partner for efficient and reliable repairs. We offer personalized service plans for central air and heat systems, tailored to your specific requirements. Before any repairs are undertaken, our technicians thoroughly explain the issues with your HVAC system and provide transparent cost estimates. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in the quality of our service and the positive experiences of our clients. Trust us to keep your HVAC system in optimal condition, offering reliable maintenance and efficient repairs whenever you need them.